Welcome back, students. This is the session 10 from the playlist of current electricity. The topic for this session is resistivity of a material. And today I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT mains examination long time back. So here the question is, when 5 volt potential difference is applied across a wire of length 0.1 meter, the drift speed of the electron is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. If the electron density in the wire is 8 into 10 to the power 28 per cubic meter, then the resistivity of the wire is approximately. So there are four options here, and we have to find the correct one. So in one of my previous lectures, in which we have derived the conductivity of a conducting material, we found that the current through a conducting wire or a material is equal to N E A into Vd, where Vd is the drift velocity of the electron, A is the area of cross section, E is the charge on the electron, and N is the number of electrons per unit volume, and I is the current which is flowing through the conductor. So from here, from this equation, we will be able to find the resistivity of the wire. So here now we know that V is equal to IR. So I can be written as V upon R, where V is the potential difference across the ends of that conductor, or in this case it is a wire of length 0.1 meter, and so I will be equal to V upon R, where R is the resistance of the wire, and N is the number of electrons per unit volume, E is the charge on the electron, A is the area of cross section, and this Vd is the drift velocity. So here if you can see in this question, this drift speed is already given to us. The electron density, that is N, that is also given to us. E is known to us, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So here the value of E, N and Vd is given to us. So from this equation, what I will be doing is, now we know that the resistance of a conducting material is given by rho L upon A, where rho is called the resistivity of that material, and L is the length, and A is the area of cross section. So I will be substituting this value in this equation. So by substituting this value in this equation, I will be getting as V divided by rho L, and this A will come in the numerator, and this will be equal to N E A V D. So from here, this area, this A and A will get cancelled out, and from this equation I am getting V is equal to rho into L into N into E into Vd. So from here, the resistivity of the material is equal to V divided by rho, V divided by L N E Vd. So this is the value of the resistivity of the material. So simply we have to now substitute the values which is given in this question, and after substituting these values which is provided in this question, we will be able to get the resistivity of this wire. So from the values which is given in this question, the resistivity of the material can be written as rho is equal to, V is given 5, L is 0.1 meter, N is already given to us, which is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 28. The value of charge on the electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and the drift speed of the electron is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So that minus 4 can be taken in the numerator and this can be taken in the numerator and it will be equal to 10 to the power 4. So from here the resistivity of the material can now be calculated with the, so I have one calculator here right now, and the resistivity of the material can be calculated. It will be equal to 1.6 into 0.1 into 8 into 2.5. This is equal to 3.2. So I am getting this as 5 divided by 3.2 into, this is, so what I have done is I have multiplied this 0.1 into 8 into 1.6 into 3.2, and then I have divided that value by this 5, that is 5 divided by that value, and this 10 to the power 4 and into 10 to the power minus 19 will get 19, and into 10 to the power minus 28. This 28 will go in the numerator and it will become minus 28. So the answer is uh, 5 divided by 3.2 into, this is equal to how much? 9 and this is equal to 23, and this is equal to 10 to the power minus 5, and this will be, the unit will be ohm meter, and now this 5 divided by 3.2 is equal to 1.56 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter, and so the approximate value of this resistivity can be written as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. Okay? So this is the value of the resistivity of this material, and in this question the most important thing was that first of all we have to use this equation, that is I is equal to N E A V D, and thereafter what I have done is that I have substituted the value of V of I as V upon R, and after that we have also substituted the value of this resistance as rho L upon A. Okay? So by substituting this value of R in this equation, we were able to find the value of this resistivity, which is approximately equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. So thank you very much for joining this session, and in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question, but the chapter will remain the same, that is current electricity. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.